I wanted to show you a WakeOnLan tool that I did actually on mobile data. So I've got one computer which is already on, that is monitoring magic packages, and I've got the second computer that is actually part off. So I'm going to be powering, showcasing first of all that it shows a few devices in my network. So you can see, this is the computer that's actually turned on. So if I press this, so you can see it's sending magic packages. So if I press it like 3 times, so you can see it's sending multiple packages. And right now I'm going to turn this one on. So you can see it just turned on, and we can see it on the screen. If I update the page, maybe it's not going to detect. Yeah, I was thinking about it not being detected at first and having to reload again, and then I get notifies that that computer is actually turned on.